Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 1994 Geo Tracker side marker bulb replacement. So actually we've got this little setup here. It's kind of spring loaded. I've already disconnected it. The socket's no good. It's corroded and rusty. It just kind of snaps on here. Then you push the tab in the back to release it. Like that. Push this tab and release it. I don't know if I can do it with the camera in my hand, but push the tab and release it. That's how you remove it, just like that. That just twists into place. That's it, 1994 Geo Tracker side marker bulb replacement.